Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on notifications for posts suggested to you on Instagram when you're using it on your PC. If you've noticed Instagram recommending posts and want to stay updated whenever new suggestions pop up, this quick setting change will make sure you never miss them. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whatever you prefer. Once you're logged into your account, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A small menu will appear. From here, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control different features and preferences. Now, inside Settings, look for the Notifications section. Click on it to open your notification options. This is where Instagram lets you decide what kind of alerts you want to receive. Next, find and click on Push Notifications. This section controls notifications that are sent to you in real time. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Posts Suggested to You. This is the setting that manages notifications for recommended content based on your activity and interests. To turn it on, simply select On. Once you do that, Instagram will start notifying you whenever there are new suggested posts tailored for you,